Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying our lectures. Today we will start lecture number 4. Here is your teacher, Engineer Shahida Benazir Sheikh. This chapter is the continuation of unit number 2. In this chapter we studied about different types of hardware. Hardware are the physical pieces of the computer system. We study different components of the computer system. This chapter is focused on central processing unit. Central processing unit, we studied the detail, consists of two parts which are connected with the input unit, output unit, memory unit. Then we studied about data transfer, how data transfers in the system according to the use of the ports, serial ports, parallel ports, which are also called as male port, female port. Then we studied in detail about the buses. We studied three types of buses, the functions of all these types, and in the last we studied about different types of memories. How many types of memory we have? We have two types of memory. We have two types of storage. One is the main and second is the secondary. We studied in detail about this. This is all about your chapter number 2. Now you have to do further written task which is given in the next slide. Write down briefly functions of CPU. Page number is written over here. Write a note on main memory and secondary memory. Again page number is written over here. Define ports and describe its types. Again page numbers are written over here. In the last we have defined bus. Write the names of its types. In this question only you have to write the names of the types. Okay. In the after this slide you have next slide, and the last slide is post evaluation, which consists of marks. You will have to do it very carefully, because if you will do completely then you will get full marks. What is a register? Define two typical components of CPU. What is the purpose of input devices? What is the purpose of output devices? Draw block diagram of components of computer system, which is given on page number 28. Read the chapter thoroughly and then answer these questions. These are written over there, and answer in short, means maximum number of lines should be 4 to 5, not exceeded by this. Thank you beta.